I am stalled. My car started shaking tremendously on the way to work, and the check engine light went on, and I was on an on-ramp between two different freeways. So that freaked me the heck out. Turned on my hazards right away, got myself safely off the freeway and into a parking lot. But I am afraid to drive it all the way to work and then get stuck at work. So I pulled over, and now I'm waiting for our insurance to send a tow truck over so I can go back home and take care of this issue. Not a way to start a really busy Saturday, because we have, not only do I have work, I also have technically a second job pet sitting for a friend's business, and then also 2 birthday parties, and then more work and pet sitting tomorrow. So it's crazy. Hopefully we get this issue fixed so we can carry on with our weekend. But yeah, I am so far in a parking lot, just waiting for a tow. Also, a cough is starting, and I don't, what the heck? What the heck? January sucks.
We're home.
Alright, so this is how the rest of the day went. There's a glare with my glasses, so. Hubby worked on the car, like, all day. And then I went and pet sat through my friend's pet sitting company. So that was fun. And then came home. Hubby said the car was fixed. Didn't get to go to the first birthday party of the day, but they stopped by to drop off the gifts. And now we're going to birthday party number 2. Sup? Okay, so we're going to my hubby's cousin's birthday party, and it's pajama themed. It's a jammy jam.
Like, she is Totoro.
My space buns are, yeah. Anyways, cute. Oh my god, that's so cute. My daughter has a fisheye lens on her phone, so I don't know if you can see that, but that's really cute.
Like, from right here, you can get the full fit. Oh, that's horrible.
So cute.